everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to unbox a special glossy box. I know this video is overdue, but I got it really late and I'm just now getting around to filming it. But yeah, so it's the Glossybox and Clinique Corporation. It was a special box that we were able to buy. It was a limited edition. I got mine for €30, I believe, but it's only because I'm a Glossybox subscriber. I'm really excited for this box. I don't know really what's in there yet, so I'm excited to unbox it with you. And also maybe you can see right here behind me, there's a new poster on the wall, and it's a Backstreet Boys poster. On Monday, I went to see them live in concert after 20 years. I used to be the biggest fan when I was just a little girl, my first loves, I guess. And I was so excited, and I was in the first row, and like it was the most amazing thing, and I had to buy a poster and hang it by my makeup table because I just want to look at them every day. But we'll get into the Glossybox Clinique box right now. We'll open it up together. And you know, I feel like the box is really pretty. I mean, doesn't look this just really sleek and like fresh and very like stylish, I feel like. It looks really nice. And then you have the actual box, and it's like a peachy color. And inside, as the usual glossy box, you have the, you know, like a magazine kind of thing. We'll take it out, and I guess it has all of the products inside. And also on the front, it gives you a 20% coupon for Clinique products. So I guess if you try those and you like them, you can buy more. And that's what it looks like inside. So it has all of the different products inside. And we'll just open up the box and we'll see what we'll get. As usual, it's like packed as usual. Has the little sticker, and then it seems really full. It has quite a few products inside. So let's see. First thing is a really big bottle of a clarifying lotion, twice a day exfoliator, dry to combination skin. So that's actually really awesome because I have combination skin, so I can really use this. It's the step 2 of this 3-step skincare. They do have that. Dry combination skin, comfortable, non-drying exfoliator helps create smooth, glowing skin. Using cotton balls, sweep over face, throat twice daily. Yeah, so that's actually that's an original product. So it's a full size. It has 200 milliliters and it's €22. So I paid 30 for my box, so I feel like the box is way worth it. Then we have, what's this? Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. So this is a sample size. And we'll open it up. All skin types, it says. Okay, so it comes in a little bottle like this right now, a little tube. It's okay, it's just for trying it out, and give it a sniff. Oh, I don't really smell anything, but we'll try it out. It smells like, I don't know, not a lot. It doesn't feel like it has a lot of fragrance in it. That's one of the things I love about Clinique. I've tested a few of their products. What I really love is Take the Day Off, the cleansing balm. It's so good. I love it so much. But it doesn't smell like much. Does the clarifying lotion smell like anything? Well, give it a sniff. Oh yeah, it smells kind of minty. Is that possible? I don't know. Smells kind of minty. Then what else do we have? A 7-day scrub cream, a rinse off formula. And it says avoid eye area for la 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 la. I don't know, it doesn't say really anything. So this one is, the sample size is about €3, so we're 25. And then we have this one, so that's about 10. So we're at €35 already. And then we have the, what is this? It looks like a mascara. Yeah, the Clinique High Impact Mascara in 01 Black. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, so it's a mascara, and you know what? Those sample sizes are actually never bad at in a mascara, because quite frankly, mascaras dry out. And if you have a full size, I always feel like they dry out even faster. And I've had one by Rituals Cosmetics, and I got it for Christmas, a sample size, and I still have it, and it's still good, and it still has a lot of product inside, I feel like. So, you know, those small sizes, those travel sizes are really good. So, and let's see, so that one is $8, so that makes it like what, 43 euro. I'm not gonna open it up right now because I'll save it for a little bit. And then we have a Clinique Pop lip color and primer. The packaging is really nice. It says the color is 13 Love Pop. And we'll open it up. I'm excited to see if that's a nice color though. Oh yeah, it looks like it could be this color here, like a berry tone. I don't know, I've never had a lipstick by Clinique, but I heard good things. I heard good things, I'm sorry. I can't talk anymore. The last 3 days have just been crazy at work, and I don't know, I'm just going a little bit crazy. Oh yeah, that like looks like a color I would wear, definitely. Looks like a really nice color. I'll give it a little. Oh yeah, it has like a shimmer in it. Oh my, it's such a pretty color. I can see that. I can see me wearing this color quite a bit this summer. And what does this say about the product though? It's a primer as well inside, so that's awesome. So that's $23.50. So what did I say? $66.50. $66.50 already. Yeah. And then the last product is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. I've heard many things about this product already, and I only heard good things about it. So I hope it's gonna be really, really good. Right now my skin just reacts to everything. I don't know why I break out to like every single product except oil. Like I can use my lavender oil, I use my jojoba oil, but creams, I don't know what it is. My skin just does not like creams right now. So that is the container, really nice packaging. It's fragrance free, allergy tested, use under or over makeup or as a 5-minute mask. Let's see. It has a little seal on top as well. I'll take it off. Oh. I'll take a little bit out of the cap and oh yeah, that feels nice. Oh wow. Doesn't smell like anything either. Oh yeah, I can see that being like super hydrating. Oh my goodness, yes. That feels so nice, and it doesn't smell. Like I can see that being really great for my face. I will try it out. Maybe it doesn't break me out. So we'll test it. I hope so. And so that one was 19 euro and 50 cents. I'm so sorry. So let's see, let's calculate it all together. 22 plus 3, so that's 25. That's 45, 55, 55, 63, 66, 86. So about 85 euros. So that's pretty awesome. I paid 30 for the box. I paid 30 euro for this box, and I got worth 85 euro of product. That sounds pretty awesome to me, to be honest. I am really excited about all of these products. I will definitely use them and test them all out. See if it does my skin any good, because as I said, right now my skin's just going bananas. I don't know what it is, but I hope it'll go away. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment what you want to see in the future, and also subscribe if you want to see more of me. And then I'll just see you in my next video. Bye!